Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem which says problem with wireless adapter or access point and your internet is not working in your PC. So I've got a fix for this, so you make sure you stick along till the end of this video so you won't miss out any step. So how to do this? Let's get started. First close everything and then right click on your Windows button and then click device manager. It will open your device manager. Here you have to double click on network adapters and then find your network adapter. Once you find network adapter, just right click on it and then click on disable device. After this, refresh a bit and then repeat the same process and enable it again. After you enable this, hopefully your problem is solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.